Hey everyone, my name is Hugh Nguyen. My group mates are Gabriel Dasher and Kevin Nguyen. Our project is called Patrix, and we created the project because we wanted to compare two different algorithms that solve the same 100,000 piece puzzle. Those algorithms are called the edge algorithm and the color algorithm. We'll be comparing how the computer solve a puzzle using those algorithms and how fast it does it. And I will explain how they work in just a minute. And so as you can see here, I have the UI for the app. This start button will load and solve a default puzzle that we picked. The upload button will allow the user to upload an image, and we use that image to create a puzzle and let the computer solve it. And down here we have the two canvases. This is where you see the image, the puzzles being solved. And down here I have the control settings, and as the puzzle are being solved, I can speed it up, I can pause or unpause it, or I can slow it down. So I'm gonna go ahead and press start. So as you can see, so these two algorithms have very different effects, right? And so for this one, what it'll do is start at one of the corner, and in a clockwise direction, it'll find other pieces that fit, and then it's gonna keep going until it reaches the end of the row or the column, and that is where it'll change direction, and then that sort of creates this spiraling effect where it seems like the algorithm is working its way inwards, right? And for this one, it'll find a random puzzle piece, and then it'll try to find other pieces that had the same color values, and then it's going to try to assemble them together. And what that will create is very prominent groupings of colors, and it seems like the algorithm is working in chunks of pieces that share the same color, right? And I can also again speed it up to 2x or 1.5x. I can slow it down. As you can see, nothing is happening, right? And then although keep in mind that even though it seems like the algorithm, the front end seemed to finish rendering these images puzzles at the same time, the back end took different time to execute the algorithms. And so for this one, it took about 0.168 seconds to finish, and then this one, it took about 0.513 seconds to finish. And next, I will demonstrate the upload functionality. So press upload. I can upload my own image. So I'm gonna pick this boy in grass image. Again, it's gonna show me it's loading. It's gonna show me the file name right here, and then it's gonna give it a second. All right, and then yeah. So right after I upload it, it's gonna sort automatically, and it's gonna do the same thing, right? And this one, it's gonna be different, a little bit different for the color algorithm because again, each different images have different color groupings, and so this color algorithm we have different groupings to work with. But for this one, it'd be the same every time, right? It's gonna be spiraling and we're going like in a clockwise direction, like going this way, like that, right? And yeah, and then at the end, it's gonna show me how fast it took for the computer to solve it. And then I can also demonstrate another functionality where I can drag and drop the file into the app, and then it's gonna achieve the same effect as uploading. I just don't have to press a button. So I uploaded the flamingo image using the drag and drop functionality, and then as you can see, it's gonna do the same thing. Like I can also pause, unpause, speed it up, right? It's gonna achieve the same task, right? It's gonna show me the different time it took to actually finish assembling the puzzle. And to actually show that the algorithms work with any images, I can also go to Google search and search up a random image. Let's say I search up UF, go to images, and then I can pick this one. Looks nice. And then I can save image, do UF. It's gonna give me a web P image, and then I can also upload it. Oops. Upload it like that. I didn't mean to open that. And then it's gonna give it a second. Right. Yeah. And as you can see, that was very dramatic because I'm guessing this image have very small groupings of colors, and that's why you see like a lot of like pixel dots on the screen as compared to the other images that we shown. And yeah, and then for this one, it's gonna be the same, right? It's gonna be spiraling inwards like that in that direction, right? As you can see, slow it down, speed it up, and boom, and then at the end, it's gonna show me the durations, and yeah.